In this video, I'm going to review this vibrating roller, aka electric foam roller. And we're going to see if it's really as good as what we all hope it's going to be. I've been using these traditional foam rollers for a long time now, and I ordered one of these recently. Really wanted to know if a vibrating roller was going to do what I hoped it would. And in this video, I'm going to tell you, are they worth it, or should you just stick to a foam roller?
We are the fitness app that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance and not just body image.
Now, straight off the bat, I'm just going to say this. These things are awesome. I can't believe how good it is. When I got it, I had these hopes of what it was going to be like, and you always have your doubts. You think, is it going to be that good? It is so damn good. Let me show you this. Hi, in case we haven't met, my name's Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the founders of Unity Gym Online, where we've reinvented strength and flexibility training with our coaching app. And I've been a coach since 2005. And I can tell you now, big part of my training is flexibility. I love strength training. I do calisthenics, martial arts, I do soft acrobatics, and my body gets stiff and sore from my training. And foam rolling and trigger point release is a huge part of what I do every day, just to keep myself moving well. It's something that I've come to really struggle without if I don't do my daily foam rolling and trigger point release. And I'm just going to say straight off the bat, if you do want to get one of these, we've got a link for where you can get it in the description of this video, so you can check that out here. So, first thing I want to say about this is, the first thing that I noticed when I got it is how firm it is. This is not a soft roller at all. It doesn't give at all. Like when you push your thumb into it, that's me pushing hard, I can barely get it to move. Whereas if I compare it to one of these foam rollers here, I can push my thumb right into that, okay? Now, that said, when you're new to foam rolling, if you haven't done a lot of foam rolling before, then that's a good thing. Foam rolling can be really uncomfortable when you're in the earlier stages of your journey. I remember when I started and I was doing my quadriceps and my IT band or iliotibial band, it was really uncomfortable, really painful. And then my body adapted to it. And then I needed to upgrade to a foam roller. And then eventually I needed to upgrade to a rumble roller. And so, when you've gone along that journey and you get one of these, maybe it's not going to feel that firm to you. But if you're new to foam rolling, you might be shocked at how firm it is. Now, straight off the bat, I'm just going to say this. These things are awesome. I can't believe how good it is. When I got it, I had these hopes of what it was going to be like, and you always have your doubts. You think, is it going to be that good? It is so damn good. Let me show you this. So the first thing about it is you've got your switch here to just turn it on and off, and then you've got your power button, which actually controls how hard it's rumbling. So listen to that. That's on the first setting. Okay, then we got 2, 3, and 4. And have a look at this. Like, that's really going for it. I feel like I have to speak up just to get you guys to be able to hear me. And it really moves around on the floor. Like, it really rumbles, okay? So I was really impressed with it. And what it does is, different to a typical foam roller, is it just feels like there's someone really getting in there for you. Like on a traditional foam roller, for me, if I just lay still, it really doesn't do that much for me at all. I only really feel anything from it when I'm moving back and forward, okay? So when I'm moving back and forward on the foam roller, I can feel that. Whereas with this vibrating roller, I can just put it on and lay still in one spot, and it really feels like it's getting in there. Now, I'm not gonna go through the research on whether foam rolling's good or bad, I should say whether it's effective or ineffective, because it's a really debated topic. And I've heard very credible people say that it does nothing, and then I've heard other people quote studies that it does X, Y, and Z. So I'm just going to talk about subjectively about my opinion. I find foam rolling a really useful tool to do before a workout or first thing in the morning. Like when I get out of bed, I'm really stiff and I'm sore, and I do a little bit of foam rolling for 5 minutes over my body, and I feel great. This takes it to another level, and I really mean that. If you look at some of this footage of me doing it, like where I need to do a foam roller to get into the position, to get into the muscles, like where I need to move back and forward, with this vibrating roller, I can just sit on the spot, and the vibration itself really just gets right in there. It's amazing. It's incredible. And the battery lasts forever. Like, I feel like I only charge this thing like once a month or something like that. And I use it for, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes a day I use it. And honestly, I feel like I only charge it once a month. So it's a really good piece of kit. So my verdict, thumbs up, absolutely. Get one of these things. If you've been thinking about it, use the link. Of course, it's an affiliate link for us, but if you use our links to get these products, it really helps our channel. This is how we can, afford to keep doing what we do and bring you these videos and these awesome tutorials. And let me know what you think. If you've got any questions, put the questions in the comments. Of course, I'll answer them for you. And if you like this video, if you want to see me do more product reviews on fitness-related products, then like the video, subscribe to our channel, leave me a comment, let me know, and I'll make sure that I keep making more videos like this for you. Thanks so much, everyone, and I'll see you in our next video.